The Nike Blazer Low Devin Booker Pearl Gray is a special collaboration that blends basketball culture, personal history, and everyday style. Dressed in pearl gray, phantom, and sport gray, this sneaker reflects a clean and premium look while proudly honoring Booker's roots in Detroit, Michigan. The Old English letter D embroidered on the heel is a clear nod to the city and its iconic sports heritage. The upper uses smooth textile materials that feel soft yet durable, giving the shoe a refined but wearable finish. Subtle red accents add contrast, while the white midsole keeps the overall design crisp and balanced. Details like the engraved book branding on the heel highlight the thoughtful craftsmanship. Multiple lace options allow easy customization to match different outfits. With its low-cut silhouette, the shoe feels light, comfortable, and perfect for street wear. More than just a sneaker, this release tells a story of pride, identity, and Devin Booker's connection to his hometown, making it a meaningful addition for sneaker fans and casual wearers alike.